Hey, I'm Ken the Don, and thanks for joining me today. I'm so excited that we're here to talk with you guys about the law of attraction. But first, before we get into that, we need to let you guys understand and know about the law of vibration, because that is what the true law is. So let's go. All right, you guys, so the law of vibrations, everything is moving constantly. Everything is always at a constant state of movement. And when you understand that, you'll be able to catch and reel in exactly what you want in your life. Because believe it or not, everything that is, whether it's negative or positive, you are bringing it to you. Like I said, everything is at a constant state of movement. You don't even realize it. But if it wasn't, how are corpses turning to dust inside of cemeteries? Everything is moving. Everything is vibrating. Your wall is vibrating. Your skin is vibrating. That's why we have decaying skin, okay? So when we understand that everything is at a constant state of movement, you will begin to realize, all right, think of it like this. If you ever gone fishing, I love going fishing, but if you ever gone fishing, think of it like this. You throw out that reel, and when you throw out that reel, you catch that fish, what's the next thing to do? Reel it in. That is the law of attraction. Understanding that you have desire and expectation. When you marry those two, when you put it together and realize, okay, what I'm desiring is matching what I'm expecting out of my life, and now I'm going to reel it in. I'm going to begin to bring it in. And when you bring it in, that is the law of attraction. But like I said, we must first understand everything is at a vibrational state, okay? This whole earth is moving. Every organism, everything has a cell. Everything goes down to an organism, all right, you guys? So we must understand, all right? Everything, for the law of attraction, it's the law of vibration. Everything is moving, everything is at a constant state of movement. And when you learn how to get your desires and your intentions to marry together, it just makes a wonderful change in your life. So, like we stated, you guys, everything is always at a constant state of movement because of the law of vibration. You have to make sure that you are marrying your desires with your intentions, all right? I may have said something different earlier, but I do apologize about that. But make sure your desires and your intentions are one, okay? In order to attract something, you need to make sure that you're concentrating and breeding an environment for a positive and a healthy way for you to manifest things, okay? Because like I said, you can either bring the negative or the positive. So sometimes we breed areas of negativity in our lives. We breed areas for just chaos to happen, right? You have to realize when you think about it, it moves from your thoughts to be ingested into your emotions. And from ingested into your emotions, our heart is fickle, so it acts on different things. So then you start to physically react outwardly, okay? So we need to understand how to control, bring captive those thoughts, okay? Bring captive those negative thoughts. Bring captive those thoughts that aren't doing us any good in our life. And hold on to what's true, hold on to what's sure, hold on to what's a sure foundation for you, okay? So marry your desire and your intentions and realize that is how you bring the law of attraction into your life, or that's how you utilize the law of attraction in your life. All right, you guys, so like I said, you have to be intentional, okay? Make sure that you are really being intentional and that you are putting all of your thoughts and your energy into this, okay? A lot of us, we get scared when people talk about energy and talk about things, but think about it like this. How about your efforts, okay? Put all of your efforts, put all of your time, because without faith, without works is what? Dead. So without the effort, without the energy, without the time, without the researching, you won't receive anything, okay, you guys? So you must understand, be intentional, allow your desires to come true. Everything that is around me right now is here because somebody allowed their dreams to manifest. Somebody allowed their dreams to flourish. Somebody attracted from the spiritual to the physical. They brought it here. They attracted a design on homes. They attracted the architectural designs for roads or for streets. No one did anything without first attracting it in, okay? So, like I said, recap. Make sure you're marrying your desires and your intentions. Make sure you're thinking of this like fishing. Once you catch, you hold on and you catch on to what you're wanting, what you're trying to attract. Once you catch that and you hold on to that, reel it in with your intentions, reel it in with your desire, reel it in with your efforts, with your energy going towards it. This is Ken the Don. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe. Make sure that you're tuned in. All right, you guys, thank you so much. This is the Law of Attraction.